visit.
I noticed you pulled off the dark covered door.
It's already off. That's how I found it.
It still smells terrible.
Hmm?
Car was wet and still smells terrible.
So you won't be able to smell it over the melting plastic here in a second. So
Oh, what, the mildew smell?
no, the melting plastic.
No, I was talking about the
Oh, your car.
I know how to deal with it.
Okay.
You just ignore it until it all goes away.
I was going to say, there's other ways to deal with it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, there's a streamer in the tree. All the way in the front yard.
Show camera yet.
It's okay.
Not until.
I know. We have to happen.
The old car I could put on the
It is kind of funny to see her spinning around. Do you get her spinning around?
Mm-mm.
So you won't do that?
Doesn't have that high resolution.
Oh, then get closer.
You're putting him in a line of danger?
Yeah, she'll be fine. Just smell. It's not like you can smell that smell before. Slightly longer. We'll see.
You put on the broth.
For next minute.
The broth is good. Is it? What's it do then?
I want to smell that. Bring down the heat.
Does it turn out the heat?
I know if you put something on the cross, because that means you put something in method, because that means you're getting totally different results. So.
Yeah, I don't know what the difference is.
That's what I'm assuming.
I don't know what the difference is. All I know is it cooks by radiation.
Nope.
It's like the water molecule.
It's form of radiation.
Is that melting at all?
I
Ultraviolet?
wasn't arguing.
No.
Well, Ryan said no.
Oh.
I don't know if he was talking to me or someone else.
No, it's some form of radiation.
We got her spinning, but
It's not melting.
Yeah, Tracy, you might not want to be smelling the spray paint.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's kind of boring.
Whoever thought watching a naked plastic girl spin around would be this much entertainment?
It's not.
it will be in fast forward, but we can't do that right now.
How long did you put this sucker in?
2 minutes, it's almost done, and it's not melting.
Well, this is... You know what we should do?
Get out of my damn shot,
No.
Josh.
Power level.
Yeah, it's on high.
Is it?
Let me look at it. I have gloves
No,
on.
no, 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 no.
Yeah, I just want to look at it.
Then,
She hasn't done anything. Oh wait, she started to melt.
put it in here.
It needs longer.
Ready?
Can you bend her feet in?
I'm going to do something.
99 minutes.
I'm thirsty.
Bring something for me, honey.
And we don't let it turn off.
Get out of the way. You're in the shot.
Don't let it turn off.
Patience, Aaron. This is a filmmaker's job. Because I don't have any. I'm just the guy that can film it. We picked a thinner Barbie movie. We're watching Barbie drive. Oh, we're gonna...
Ryan, couldn't you have used your tripod camera for this?
Yes, but I want the digital, which I could have put the tripod on that. Whatever, it's starting to smoke now, as you can see with her leg.
Mm-hmm.
Although the other one, the face is the best part. I would have thought the face would have gone first. It's the thinnest rubber. It's starting to melt, though. Damn it, I should have had you grab me one of those. Whatever, too late. I'll get it myself. I didn't care that much.
Huh?
I didn't care that much.
Ready, you want No, I'm just saying.
Is the face going at all now?
Mm-mm. No, a little bit, yeah.
You tell me when you think it's good. Actually, I'll tell you. God damn it.
Having issues there.
Yeah, I don't have any fingernails left. I keep breaking them at work, so I cut them as short as possible.
Well, the legs are bent over melted over the sides.
Boy, I can smell that melting from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a highly toxic smell.
She's getting black. She's bubbling.
And we ain't turn it off. Let it go.
No, the whole 99 minutes it'll catch on fire. And yeah, I wouldn't breathe out of it.
Alright, should be good. Should be good.
Okay.
Going back this way. That's a pretty toxic smell.
Look at that face.
Hey, get out of the line of vision here.
And we're gonna let this air out a bit. I'm letting it dry out a little bit before.
Recording. Alright. What are we microwaving? What is it? Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Quiet, baby. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm very sweaty.
Yes, I know. So I'm doing a revenge.
What?
What's behind the bar?
Yeah, you got. I can see it, but the camera can't see much. Okay, there it goes.
And now there's fire.
Painting. Hey, fire!
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 Fire! Fire! Fire!
What'd you do?
Didn't do shit to the record, really.
No.
Oh.
Also,
You wanna
I
use
just
this?
in the record, but
Hey, right.
no.
No.
Why not? Because that actually costs money to replace.
Exactly.
How much money? Enough.
Well, that one was free.
Already on
Fire!
fire.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna sit.
Yes, I've had to use it several times.
Look at the smoke coming out.
Joey.
The bomb guy.
Joey.
Look at that. Look at the smoke coming out. Fire! 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 Here. Fire! I see fire.
Hang on. Damn it. I don't need that yet.
Look, fire! Look at fire! Look at fire! You can see the fire inside the cassette tape.
Oh, damn.
Winning. Just toxic smoke.
Yeah, it's not like it's gonna like destroy your
Look at the
lungs.
fire in the cassette.
Mm-hmm.
Right, look at the cassette go up.
It's one hot tape.
Some hot shit right there.
The 8-track's going up, too. I haven't seen the VHS do anything, though.
So the older the technology, the easier it burns.
Cassette, whoop,
Did
up,
you just
up.
say the ethier?
Easier.
It said ethier.
Shut up.
The ethier it burns?
Look at the fire.
So high.
I don't want to sound queer or nothing, but I think fire is very romantic.
Ryan, you're on the shot.
Actually, you guys aren't. Got
That
it.
was my view.
Hey, Ryan. I am Sancho. We should do a skit where cavemen can't figure out how to make fire with the sticks, so they stick it in the microwave.
Well, that cassette tape went up pretty quick. Is that still cassette taped in there?
That part burning is probably a piece of it.
That's the 8-track.
What will burn quicker in a microwave? This ancient question that has plagued mankind for generations has finally been answered.
There's actually a show on YouTube called "Is It Okay to Microwave This?"
Hey, Sanch.
No. It's not.
Well, no, they did things like they did.
Back away the hell up.
They checked what would catch fire quicker would be Pikachu. All right, we're good.
Why is that not high? That's not doing anything. You might have destroyed the microwave. Every time you press start.
Recording.